Welcome. This is MCG Tech with a teardown of a Dell Dimension 8300. I wanted to share this teardown because of how unique the case is. Additionally, I was shocked when I opened the case and saw RAM mounted at a diagonal angle. I got this PC and another PC from the same era for free, so I decided it would be worth it to see what I can salvage. Everything I saved from the computer will be reviewed at the end of the video. Enjoy. I did struggle with removing the power supply unit, but I was able to remove it once I found the quick release tab. I do think some of the hardware I recovered during this teardown will be useful in the future, so I'm pretty pleased. From this computer, I retrieved a single core 3 GHz Pentium 4 745, 3 GB of DDR RAM, a GeForce 6200, an Audit 2 Sound Blaster, an IDE drive, a power supply unit, a CPU cooler, a floppy drive, 2 DVD drives, and a lot of other miscellaneous items. To conclude, this teardown will be very useful. I already know that the high-density DDR RAM will be useful in a future project. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.